Black Friday and TikTok Shop is booming. Today I'm here with
Twitch.
and we're going to be going over exactly how he's been able to generate over $250,000 with TikTok Shop affiliate over the past week. 7 days is absolutely insane for those kind of numbers. Make sure you guys stick around to the end of the video to find out all the details. Before we get into the video, what sort of numbers has your TikTok Shop been bringing in?
Yeah, so I started TikTok Shop about just under 2 weeks ago at this point, and already just in the last week, as you can see, it's at 200 grand just for the week, and I take home like 10 to 20% of this depending on the product, so we're looking at around 30 grand profit.
Yeah, that's a crazy week.
And this is just one page. I have two other pages. This is the biggest one, but across the board probably like 300 400k sales.
Yeah, that's insane. You have an estimate of how many views?
Across the board, I've probably done like 10 million views, I want to say, which actually, if you do like the conversion rate on that, it's pretty crazy. That's why TikTok Shop is nuts right now.
Yeah, 400k in sales from 10 million views is absolutely insane. If your TikTok organic video got 10 million views, you might bring in 20 to 40k maximum. The fact that it's right there in the video and it's Black Friday just shows that this is the biggest opportunity we've seen since Facebook ads back in 2017.
Oh yeah, and I used to do TikTok dropshipping too, and I completely stopped to focus on this because it just makes so much more money, to be honest.
So where can they find your social media?
Guys can check out the YouTube link in bio at Twitch.
In the description. So what made you get into TikTok Shop?
So basically my background's in e-commerce and organic TikTok, and I saw a TikTok Shop like popping up everywhere, and so I started doing my research, and I was just experimenting with it from what I knew on just blowing up TikTok videos and selling products. So I started, and it started hitting for me.
So why are you telling everyone about this if it's been working so well?
Basically, my long-term goal personally is to grow my brand. I've just been running up TikTok Shop. My goal with sharing all the info with you guys is that if I can teach you how to go viral and like run up TikTok Shop, is that my hope is that when my card game stock is actually here, which is my brand, that if I can teach you guys how to do it, eventually you guys can make money selling my games. That's kind of my motive.
So how do you find a winning product on TikTok Shop?
So what I like to do is, number one, you can just look on TikTok Shop itself, or you can go to Callow Data, which is a great website. It's free. And just on there, you want to look for a product that's actually just good. People want it. I like selling branded stuff because people tend to trust it more. But most importantly, you want something that has like a higher commission rate, because if you're selling something good, but only 5%, then like what's the point, right? You want something that has like 20% ideally or higher.
Do you mainly focus on the higher commission or the higher ticket items?
I like to do a combination of both. Sometimes I'll sell a higher ticket item if it has like a decent enough commission, even if it's a slightly lower percentage. Basically just depends. Like if I think a product can hit and it's slightly worse commission, you know, it's still worth testing out. Ideally you want a high ticket and a high commission, and that's kind of like a golden thing right there.
Say that one of the viewers wants to get started with TikTok affiliate. What steps do they need to take to be able to be eligible?
First things first, this is easily the most lucrative opportunity you can do right now. $0 to start and insane upside. The first action step you got to do is have a TikTok page with 5,000 followers, and you have to be 18. If you're not either of those, that's fine, because there's a way to get around that with 0 followers. There's just a little loophole method. I made a video about it also.
Was that your first video?
Yeah. And if you're not 18, you can just work with someone who is. The first thing is just to get TikTok Shop set up on your phone, and it's pretty simple. You just gotta go through some steps and just get it done. Once you have it all set up, basically all you have to do is go and start doing the product research like I just laid out for you guys. And then the name of the game is just volume. You just gotta start posting TikTok videos as much as you possibly can. I like to do 5 per day across each page. So right now I'm posting 20 videos per day if you include my personal page. And that's basically it. Like, not every video is going to go viral, but the ones that do are going to make you a ton of money.
You said you're posting 5 videos a day. What kind of sounds are you choosing for these?
Honestly, I'm going to debunk a lot of the guru myths here. TikTok time posting, TikTok sounds, all this stuff, it's a load of crap. Like,
yeah,
doesn't really matter. You can post 5 videos within 5 minutes. That's what I do for each page. I don't use any sounds. I just use my voiceover most of the time. If you don't want to use your voice in the videos, you can always use something like 11 Labs.
What type of niches are you looking for?
I really don't care. I just look for audiences that I know have money. So typically slightly older, like 25, 35, older than that even maybe. as long as they have the money to spend and the desire to spend it. So I like to also target women because they like to shop more.
Yeah.
Um, so pretty much that. Older women, I guess you could classify, and then whatever within there doesn't really matter to me.
But how do you structure a winning TikTok affiliate video?
Yeah, so when you're actually making the videos that you're pumping out, you want to do three things: hook in the viewer, retain them, and then call to action at the end of the video. So starting with the hook, what I do personally is, because TikTok Shop, if you didn't know already, is going to boost your video in the algorithm. Basically, all you have to do is call out your target demographic. So like I just said, I am selling to older women usually. So whatever the niche of the product is, I'll call out that audience demographic directly. So for example, if you're selling like a baby product, I'll target, hey, if you're a new mom, I just found a great deal for you. So that's how I start the video, just calling out the hook. And then for the actual content within the video, what I just do is talk about if there's a deal going on in the product, like if it's just a crazy TikTok Shop deal, because TikTok Shop's doing deals like crazy right now just for growing their platform. So if there's a great deal on the product, I'll talk about that. And then I'll also just talk about the product benefits, stuff like that. It's basically just a sales pitch, to be honest, but since they're getting boosted in the algorithm, it's just selling to a lot of people at the same time. And then lastly, you got to tell the people where to buy it. So I just close always with TikTok Shop link is right here on the video. And that's pretty much it.
So once you have a viral video, what type of steps do you make after that to continue selling products?
Yeah, so I'm going to drop some sauce for you guys. Basically, one thing you can do is when you're doing a volume game, like you just want to keep basically testing as much as you can, right?
Yeah.
You're going to have a video that hits, whether it's like 100K, a million views, whatever, and that's going to print for you already. But what you want to do is milk the out of the video. And what I mean by that is just respond to every single possible comment. And like I said earlier, it's kind of like sales, right? You want to overcome every single objection the customer may have. So for example, that baby example I showed you guys earlier, I started the video saying that it's for the new moms, but maybe someone in the comment is a dad and said, is it good for the dads too? I'll be like, yeah, this is good for anybody. Something like that. But don't just reply in the comments, actually fully respond and make a video addressing that concern. And do it for literally every single comment there is. This is going to do two things. One, people are going to be checking out the comments anyway to get more info about the product. And if they see that you made a video that has a question they've already had in their mind about it, if they watch that video and address that concern, they're more likely to buy it. Number two is that when you make these videos, if a viewer has already watched your TikTok video all the way through, TikTok's going to retarget them automatically. It's basically free retargeting, and you are kind of in their algorithm, so to speak. So if they watch your video all the way through and you make these comment replies on the same product and same type of video, they're just going to keep seeing your videos over and over again. And you already know this, and I'm sure you guys do too. The more often someone sees and is more familiar with a product, the more likely they are to buy it. So maybe they didn't buy off the first video, but after they've seen 3 or 4, they finally convert.
Any other final tips that you wanted to mention?
Yeah, so basically this is just a volume game. Like, don't give up after 5 videos and you don't see any views. Like, you just gotta literally commit to just posting every single day, and it's basically that simple. Like, there's really not that much to it. You just gotta put in the work, make the videos, and no stop.
I'm actually going to be working with Twitch in the future, and we're going to be doing a little collaboration. He's going to be teaching me how to do TikTok Shop affiliate, and I'm going to be coming back to you guys with my results in just about 30 days. We're going to be running this experiment from November 25th until December 25th, and we're going to come back, make another video, and we'll show the results that I'm able to make. We'll see if this is actually as easy as it seems. All right, guys, we just finished filming, and I checked my phone, and I posted a video before we started this filming the YouTube video, and check it out. I've already generated over $136 in sales, 3 items sold.
This stuff works.
It's actually that easy. My video is only at 3,000 views too. Yeah. Which is absolutely crazy. As you guys can see, $136 generated, 3 sales. If you're not getting on this opportunity right now, I don't know why. I don't know what you're waiting for.
Proof right there, guys.
Yeah.
Literally.
Proof is in the pudding. 3 hours since I posted the video and already generating sales. And I'm not even above 10,000 views.
Yeah, 3,000 views, already making money.
Yeah. Like, that just shows how easy this is, how big an opportunity it is. What's going on, guys? One last check-in video. It's been a week since we recorded this, and I've already brought in over $5,000 in sales. Here's the screenshots from my store.
And I really hope you guys stick around for the rest of this series. Make sure to subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss the next video. I'm going to be coming out with my TikTok shop results for the end of Q4. So it's going to come out around December, around Christmas time. So make sure to stay tuned for that video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you haven't already, make sure to start up your TikTok affiliate page because this is the biggest opportunity in a long time.
If you want to learn more about TikTok Shop Affiliate, check out @Spencer Twitch on Instagram. He's giving everyone free knowledge about TikTok Shop Affiliate. So
Yes, sir.
just send him a DM and he'll get in touch with you and answer any more questions you might have.
Yep.
Make sure to stay tuned, click subscribe, like the video if you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one.